You are about to overpay for your next set of tires by $200, and the salesman, he's counting on it. Look at this. A Uniroyal set runs you about $280. The Michelin set right beside it, on the exact same rack, is over $500. Here's the kicker. The rubber comes out of the exact same factories, owned by the exact same company. The name on the sidewall is the only thing that's different. The bottom shelves are packed with hidden gems, but the salesman keeps pointing you toward the flashy logos you already know just to charge you double for the badge. Stick around for all 8 brands, plus the 4 hidden markings you can read off any sidewall to tell a real bargain from a cheap mistake. Let's roll. Number 1, Uniroyal. The name sounds a bit dated, right? Like a dead brand from the 1980s coasting on old reputation. Nope. The exact opposite is true. In North America, Uniroyal is owned outright by Michelin and built in Michelin's own American plants. They keep it alive to compete on price without dragging the premium Michelin name into the budget aisle. Look at the receipts. The Tiger Paw Touring carries up to a 75,000-mile warranty for around $90 a pop. And where it really shows its parentage is in the wet. The Rain Sport line lands 14% cheaper than the Goodyear it competes with, matching it stride for stride in the rain. That's Michelin Wet Grip, a Michelin factory, and a budget price tag. Number 2, Nexen. Everybody writes Nexen off as a cheap Korean no-name, but that completely ignores who drives on them straight from the factory. These guys have been making tires since 1942, and Nexen is approved original equipment for BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Volkswagen, and Porsche. Think about that. Porsche signed off on Nexen for the Macan and the Cayenne. Porsche does not gamble its legendary handling on junk rubber. The in-friend line brings serious summer grip for way under the German competition. You're getting a tire a Porsche engineer already trusted, minus the massive luxury markup. Real quick, a quick disclaimer. Nobody in the tire industry pays us a single cent. No deals, no sponsorships. A brand only makes this channel if it clears our 4 strict checks. And these 4 checks are what stop a salesman from scamming you. The Treadwear number, molded into the sidewall. 300 is normal life. 500 and up lasts forever. Anything near 200 wears out fast. The speed and load rating, right after the size. The load figure must meet or beat the number on your door jamb sticker, or you've got a massive safety issue, not a saving. The parent company. A Michelin, Continental, Goodyear, or Hankook parent means premium engineering at a discount. No traceable owner? Slow down. The DOT date code. 4 digits showing the week and year it was made. If it's been aging in a warehouse for 3 years, walk away. Rubber breaks down just sitting still. Number 3, Laufenn. The name reads foreign and forgettable, so shoppers walk right past it. Huge mistake. Laufenn is the budget label of Hankook, the 7th largest tire maker in the world and a factory supplier to Mercedes and Audi. Hankook uses the Lexus idea in reverse. A Laufenn X-Fit in a typical SUV size sits around $164. The Hankook one shelf up, built in the same plant by the same makers, asks $203. That is roughly $160 saved on a set of 4 for genuine Hankook rubber under a quieter name. Number 4, Kumho. Kumho's cheap reputation traces back to the tires bolted on cars at the factory, which are built down to the car maker's cheap budget, not the spec Kumho actually sells in retail stores. Let's look at the facts. Founded in 1960, they are now the 9th largest tire maker worldwide, supplying BMW and Audi. In 2024, the Exta line topped summer tire tests at Europe's prestigious ADAC and Autobuild, beating names that cost a third more. If you want the hidden gem, look at the Krugen line for SUVs and trucks. It's BMW-grade engineering with the premium price tag stripped clean off. Number 5, General Tire. General sounds like a generic filler brand, but it belongs to Continental, the German engineering heavyweight. General runs on what the trade calls trickle-down technology. Compounds proven in Continental's expensive flagship tires move into general once the costly R&D is already paid off. The Ultimax RT45 comes with a 75,000-mile warranty. Against the Continental True Contact it shares roots with, it's about $86 versus $98. That gap only grows on larger wheels. You get Continental engineering for a price most people overlook. Number 6. Cooper. This is the name your grandfather swore by, and younger drivers totally miss it. Founded in 1914, they spent a century building honest American tires. Then, in 2021, Goodyear paid $2.5 billion to buy them. The best part? Goodyear kept them running as their independent value brand. A Goodyear Assurance in a compact size runs about $127. The nearest Cooper? About $104. Across the range, Cooper runs 15% to 25% cheaper for the exact same job, and much of it is still built in American plants. It's the tire the shop owner quietly puts on his own truck. Number 7. Sailun. This one breaks the pattern, and I'm going to level with you, because being straight is how you tell a gold mine from a trap. There is no Michelin or Continental behind Sailun. They are an independent Chinese maker just over 20 years old. With that thinner pedigree, some models can get noisy or wear quicker toward the end of their life. That is the deal you are accepting. But on the flip side, their Trezzo line starts near $50 a tire with a 40,000-mile warranty. That is under half of a premium price. If you'd rather swap a $50 tire a little early than hand over $150 for a logo, Sailun is a calculated trade, not a gamble. Number 8, our bonus pick, Toyo. Most drivers file Toyo under cheap and move on, totally missing what the name actually carries. Toyo has built tires in Japan since 1945, earning its reputation the hard way, on the racetrack. Their Proxies line runs in real motorsport, and the open country range has become the absolute default for truck owners who tow and go off-road. This isn't some giant's hand-me-down, it's an independent powerhouse. The open country AT3 lands well under a comparable BF Goodrich or Michelin all-terrain, matches the tread life, and carries a 65,000-mile warranty. Toyo is the pick when you want a name that proves itself in competition without charging you for the trophy. Next time you are at the tire shop, look past the front row. Check the sidewall markings and remember who actually makes the rubber. Save your hard-earned cash. If this video saved you a couple of $100, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with a friend who is driving on bald tires right now. See you in the next video.